Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys how to make an artificial bonsai at your home. It's a very cheap and easy method and can be used in school projects for your kids. Let's keep watching. For this, we are going to need the things like clump foliages. This is a DIY clump foliage and the video link is attached in my description box. Then we need acrylic paints, copper wire, air dry clay, hot melt glue gun, grass powder and some white glue. This is an all-purpose glue. Then a bunch of aluminium foil paper. Let's start making. Now I am going to make the basic structure of the bonsai tree. For this I took 4 strands of copper wire here and gently twist together and make it sure your structure is as tight as possible. I leave some untwisted area on the top and bottom. This is because for making the root and branch portions. Next I am going to cover the main trunk portion is with a piece of paper. For that I took a piece of waste paper and allow to cover over the twisted area of the tree and allow to fix it tight and again with a piece of paper. After that I take a piece of aluminium paper and allow to fix over the paper cover and fix it tightly. Repeat the process all over the tree and fix it tightly. Aluminium foil paper will help to enrich the width of the tree body and can be minimize the volume of our air dried clay. This is the final infrastructure of the bonsai tree and we can add more branches and roots like same way with the help of adding some. Next I am going to cover the body of the tree with some air dry clay. Take a little piece of clay at a time. Press gently and fix it tightly over the aluminium covered area of the tree. And also consider the dimension of the main shape. And you will need to check if it's wet enough as dried clay is difficult to work with. Pull off a small piece of the clay you intend to use and roll it in your hand until it forms a smooth structure. If it cracks, try adding more water and make a smooth and fine structure of the tree. You can use homemade air dry clay instead of this type of air dry clay. For that, mix equal amount of all-purpose flour and salt and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil it and mix it well and use directly like this air dry clay over the surface of the tree and make the structure like this. Let it dry and final product is look like this. And I am going to add some greenery over the structure. For that I am going to make a copper wire structure for it. For that, take a piece of copper wire and make a round, flat, regular structure. The structure is like this. Then I take some cotton pieces and dip it into white glue and allow to fix over the copper wire and it will look like this, and add this structure into sawdust ground powder or grass powder and fill it with this powder. and let it dry. After that, I add some more glue over it and add some clump foliages with the help of a brush, or you can use your own bare hand for this purpose, and press it firmly and allow to dry. After dryness, you can see some unfilled area. At that time, you can add more greenery over the structure with the help of a hot melt glue gun. I also add some extra greenery with the help of a glue gun and allow to dry. After dryness, I fix it over the tip of branches. For this, I used a hot melt glue gun and apply the glue over the tip of branch and gently fix it on the branch area and allow to dry. Repeat the same process with all greenery and let it dry. After some time, I add some extra thickness over the vegetative part of the tree with the help of a glue gun. Finally, the product is look like this, and the tree is now almost ready for further process. Next, I am showing you guys how to paint the tree. For this, I used 4 basic colors of acrylic paints. I used some brown paint, black, white and yellow shades of acrylic paints for this purpose. And at first I take some brown and black acrylic paint, mix it well and apply over the structure with the help of a flat brush. You can fill it into the tree surface very gently and allow to half dry. This is the base coat of my bonsai tree, and after that I applied a mixture of a little white and brown paint over the base coat and merge it well, and the color of the tree is look like this, and this is the realistic color of a tree. And I finished painting part of the tree. Finally, I highlighted the tree with some yellow color, and now it looks like more realistic. Our artificial bonsai tree are a great way to decorate any settings without the care needed for a real bonsai tree. I fixed the tree into a plate with some DIY decorative items, and it can be used as a tabletop showpiece, and tree making process is also used into students' school projects. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and add your valuable comments here, and subscribe my channel for new amazing DIY videos. Bye.